Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking about a police officer turned DoorDasher. So, basically, I just saw this whenever I type in like DoorDash news and stuff on Google to kind of like think of video ideas and stuff. I saw this and I was like, what in the world? Police officer delivers a DoorDash order. So, the article says, an Arkansas police officer wasn't going to let a perfectly good meal go to waste. After arresting the DoorDash driver, an officer with the Jonesboro Police Department took it upon himself to finish the delivery. You know, when I'm thinking about this, I'm like, who the hell lives in Arkansas? Do you guys live in Arkansas? First question of the day. Comment down below. What state do you guys live in? Let me know. If you guys want to add in the city too, let me know what city and state you guys live in. I would love to see where everyone is living. Whenever I think of Arkansas, I always think of like just like hay fields or like just dirt. I don't know. I've driven through it a few times and there's like nothing there. Maybe I don't think I've driven through Little Rock though. I don't know. It's probably like the only city out there. I don't know. Who the hell lives in Arkansas? Or Nebraska? Do people live in Nebraska? Anyways, okay. Back to the story. Jonesboro Department took it upon himself to finish the delivery that was currently in progress. According to the spokesperson, the Jonesboro Police Department officer arrested the driver during a traffic stop on June 29th when Officer Tyler Williams realized the driver was a DoorDash worker in the middle of a delivery. He took it upon himself to make sure it got to the rightful and hungry owner. So the DoorDash driver was arrested for not having insurance or a valid driver's license. How do you even get started with DoorDash without having a valid driver's license or insurance? I mean, I guess they probably don't. Do they check your insurance on DoorDash? I don't think they do. Maybe. But they definitely check your driver's license. Like, bro, get your driver's license updated. If you are making a living off of... I guess I have no room to speak. My car's not registered right now. But I have good excuses for it. Not really, but okay. I have no room to talk. I could easily get arrested. No, I don't think I would get arrested, but... yeah, I don't know, actually. Anyways. I have no room to speak on this one, actually. My car is currently... my registration is expired right now. Idiot. Anyways. But I have a good excuse, though. Good excuse. I'm out of town, and... my car won't pass smog because I have a check engine light on and blah, blah, blah. We've already gone through this before. It's a long story. Anyways, so he basically walks up to the customer and the guy is so confused when he opens the door. He's like, can I help you? And he's like, is there a Sherry here? And he's like, yes. He's like, can I speak with her? Like, bro, just drop off the DoorDash order. But I guess he doesn't drop off DoorDash orders ever. He thinks he had to get it to the exact person. Unless they put like a leave at door or something. I don't know. Anyways, so hands it to Sherry and she is so surprised and stoked that the police officer brought her food. Anyways, I wanted to talk about this because I feel like police officers just get a really bad rep. Obviously, they get a really bad rep nowadays. It seems like all you ever hear about is like bad stuff of police officers like shooting someone or something. And in my opinion, most of the time it's justified, but yeah, police officers always get a bad rep, and I think, in my opinion, everyone should always respect police officers, even though there's some definite dickhead police officers out there. They do put their lives on the line on a daily basis, and it's a job that I probably wouldn't really want to do, although I think I would. I don't know. I don't think I would be a cop, to be honest. I wouldn't want to give people tickets. I would love it if cops could just do, like if they didn't have to write parking citations and that kind of stuff. That would probably give them a lot better of a rap than if they had writing all these parking citations and like speeding tickets and all that stuff. I don't know. Anyways, so I just feel like cops always get a bad rap, and I have a lot of friends that are cops, and yeah, I don't know. I always will support the blue because I've personally been saved just one time. The cops came and basically these guys were trying to kill us. I'll talk about that story in another video, but basically some guys were literally trying to kill us with all kinds of weapons, and the police showed up, and that was literally the only way that we were going to survive that situation. Yeah. it was an abandoned building, blah, blah, blah. I'll talk about that in another video. If you guys want to hear about it, let me know. But, okay, so, real quick break. If you guys haven't yet, I know Para had some troubles yesterday, but they will be working in the future, and they are working again right now. Anyway, so, if you guys haven't yet, download that Para link down below. Para's always on top of it and getting the tip transparency working and all that good stuff. But if you guys like to see your tips as a delivery driver before you get the order, or before you accept the order, because DoorDash likes to hide its tips, make sure you click on that Para link down below. So, anyways, I just think this is a very interesting video. Your DoorDash driver got arrested, so I brought your food to you. Very, very funny. Anyways, protect and serve and DoorDash hashtag. The department wrote, y'all, I can't make this up. Protect and serve and hashtag DoorDash. The department wrote on Facebook. Oh, police said the DoorDash driver was charged with driving with a canceled driver's license. Canceled? I wonder what a canceled driver's license mean. I guess expired probably, and no insurance. The driver was also wanted on failure to appear on a warrant from a neighboring county. Ooh, so this guy probably wasn't the greatest of DoorDash drivers. I wonder if he watched my channel. Probably not. But, yeah, that's crazy. Wanted for a warrant. Can you imagine if you guys have like a freaking a felon delivering you DoorDash? Oh man, this makes me think of that Decline Now dude that we found out like later that he was like running a child molester ring or whatever. If you guys don't know about that dude, so basically one of the moderators of that Decline Now group that I was talking so much shit on way back in the day, that Decline Now group was being ran by basically a guy who was he ran like a child, like a girl trafficking ring or something like that in Florida. And I was like, whoa, this dude was weird every time he talked to me, because he would write, like, he would see my videos and he was so pissed about me. And I can't remember what his name was, but I don't know, anyways. But yeah, the guy was like running this crazy pedophile ring, and we were like, what the hell? Like, of course this Decline Now group that was basically like a cult has like basically a pedophile running it. I was like, what the fucking hell is going on here? But anyways, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe for more information and videos and driver tips and all kinds of other cool stuff and cute videos of my cat wherever she is. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.